What's going on, guys? What you're looking at here is an Evergo top mount ceiling fan. It is from April of 1987. One thing too is these a lot of times get mistaken for spinner fans. These are not spinner fans because they have a solid motor housing that does not move. And yeah, one argument too that's pretty controversial is that Evergo went out in 86, but I have too many Evergo fans from 87 to say that, so I want to hear all your comments on that discussion. Furthermore, let's get started. That LED bulb is so weird. Let's put this guy on low first. I will say, guys, this thing spins pretty slow because the bearings are pretty locked up. I've got to do some stuff to it. And it does vibrate pretty good. Yeah, let's put it up to medium. You'll hear on high too, those bearings will screech and cheech a little bit. Personally, that buzzing, in my opinion, comes from these globes. This light kit was added to this fan. Let's put it up to high. Yeah, I got this thing at a yard sale for $5. Along with the Harbor Breeze Builder's Best that I have back in the back of the room here. Now let's shut this off. I'm surprised the bearings aren't screeching. Maybe they're loosening up. Man, this thing's been running. But yeah, you can see here that it just stops pretty quick. You know, it doesn't have a real good spin down, and I think the capacitor is a little weak in this fan. And then that combined with bearings that are shoddy is not a good combination. And there you have it, my 42-inch Evergo top mount ceiling fan. Again, these are not classified as spinners technically, but in the next video you are going to see my 36-inch Evergo spinner. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.